what? Oh, hold on a second. Oh, hey, there you are. Welcome back to Rusty Judgment. It's been a couple weeks. I hope you're having a great day. I am freezing my fingers and my nose and my feet off. I'm actually out here at the moved-in house today, which, doesn't it look lovely? It may not look lovely to you. It's freezing cold in Minnesota right now. It's actually supposed to get warmer again, but right now it's really cold. And we had a freeze and a little bit of snow a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. And that really put the timeline on what I got to do this year yet. I got to get going. So I have slipped on my YouTube videos, and I'm going to probably keep slipping with them because there's a lot of things I got to get done before the ground freezes and we get snow. So right now I'm doing dirt work. I want to get rid of this pile over here, get all the dirt work done at this property, get some stuff done at the shop. They're insulating it this next week. And then the farmhouse has just got a few miscellaneous little things to do yet. But right now we're trying to get all the dirt work done here, the in-floor heat into the basement, and then get this house closed up so that when it gets colder than it is right now, I can keep working, because I don't like Minnesota. Any of you who don't live in Minnesota, where do you live? What's your average temperature? And what's your hottest temperature? Anyway, we are about ready to embark on the holidays. And the holidays come usually like family get-togethers and stuff like that. But I just wanted you to know, I appreciate you. I'm very thankful for you. And I will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.